Hey everybody, this is Lee from Cornwell, USA, Metal Man. As everybody knows, we take care of your welding needs. And I'm just going to go through your helmets real quick in sequence. So you got your 50 series helmets, which is the 56 VG, the 59, 58 VG, and the 59 VG. Then we're going to go up to your 60 series, which is your 67, the MMW 67 VG. Now remember, all Cornwell helmets have grind mode, 9 to 13 shade on all of these. Once you step up into the 70 series, you go from a 5 to an 8 to 9 to 13 with low amp take capability. Then you get into your 800 series. This is your analog. If you see here, it's got the buttons. This is a 12-inch view. Then we go to the digital. And that's also a 12-inch view. And I don't want to forget this. This is also in the 700 series. This is also digital. This is the NHRA helmet. Then we get into the new 900 180-degree panel helmet. It is a 5 to 8, 9 to 13 with grind mode, rechargeable, comes with your cable. We also have this new one that just came out, comes with the light. It's 5 to 8, 9 to 13, also rechargeable. Any questions? Certainly reach out to me.